This presentation speaks to maintaining window air conditioning units. There are probably more of these units than any other air system components out in the field. The procedures will be outlined in the manufacturer's instructions that are provided with the unit. Monthly. Check for particulate accumulation on filters. Clean or replace if accumulation results in pressure drop or airflow outside of established operating limits. Check air filter and housing integrity. Correct as needed. Quarterly. Check UV lamp. Clean or replace as needed. Semi-annually. Check control system and devices for evidence of improper operation. Repair, adjust, or replace components to ensure proper operation. Check condensate drain path and remove debris as needed to assure it is free flowing. Check for proper operation of cooling coil. Clean, restore, or replace as required. Check motor contactor for pitting or other signs of damage. Repair or replace as needed. Check fan blades. Clean, repair, or replace as needed. Check refrigerant system temperatures. If outside recommended levels, find cause. Repair and adjust refrigerant to achieve optimal bearing levels. Check integrity of all panels on equipment. Replace fasteners as needed to ensure proper integrity and fit finish of equipment. Check drain pan, drain line, and coil for biological growth. Clean as needed. Check evaporator coil fins. Restore if possible. Replace coil if necessary to return to proper functioning. Inspect for evidence of moisture carryover beyond the drain pan from cooling coils. Make corrections or repairs as necessary. Inspect air-cooled condenser services. Repair or clean as needed. Visually inspect areas of moisture accumulation for biological growth. If present, clean or disinfect as needed. To properly maintain AC equipment, it is suggested that the various parts of the air conditioner be understood. The major parts of an air conditioner manage refrigerant and move air in two directions, indoors and outside. The evaporator receives the liquid refrigerant. The condenser unit facilitates heat transfer. Expansion valve regulates refrigerant flow into the evaporator. The compressor, a pump that pressurizes refrigerant. The cold side of an air conditioner contains the evaporator and a fan that blows air over the chill coils and into the room. The hot side contains the compressor, condenser, and another fan to vent hot air coming off the compressed refrigerant to the outdoors. In between the two sets of coils, there's an expansion valve. It regulates the amount of compressed liquid refrigerant moving into the evaporator. Once in the evaporator, the refrigerant experiences a pressure drop, expands, and changes back into a gas. The compressor is actually a large electric pump that pressurizes the refrigerant gas as part of the process of turning it back into a liquid. There are some additional sensors, timers, and valves, but the evaporator, compressor, condenser, and expansion valve are the main components of an air conditioner. Oh, this is a conventional setup for a window air conditioner. There are a couple of variations you should know about it. Window air conditioners have all these components mounted into a relatively small metal box that installs into a window opening. The hot air vents from the back of the unit, while the condenser coils and a fan coil recirculate indoor air. Bigger air conditioners work a little differently. Anyway, I hope that information is of use. Take care now. Bye.